up, my pride? So today we're going to be working out with my uncle here. We're in his garage and we're going to be doing boxing, conditioning, and all that fun stuff. So let's get it started. So right now my uncle is warming up, working out his neck, his arms, his shoulders, his core, his legs. And then we're going to do some shadow boxing. And then he's going to get the gloves on. We're going to work on defense and striking. And then after that, we're going to do burnouts, just straight punches. And then he's going to finish it off with boxing and conditioning exercise. Let's get it.
Open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
We're working on your defense and your striking. So when I say slip, you're going to automatically slip to the right, like that. If I say slip, you're going to do 2, and then to the right, like that. If I say jab, you're going to hit it right here, and slap it, like that. Right. If I tell you to block, just hold it like this. I'm going to slap you with it, hold it. Then if I say body, body. And then just crunch it into it like that.
We about to turn it on.
It's a minute, straight punches. You can go as fast as you can, or as long as you can. Alright, ready? 3, 2, yeah, 1. You got 19 seconds. Oh. Alright, ready? Go. 15 more seconds.
God. Wow.
3 more seconds.
Oh, you guys. Oh my God. Holy.
Feels good, doesn't it? 3, 2, 1. Alright, now you can take the gloves off.
Please.
And I'm going to explain the last workout, the little closure. So what you're going to do, Uncle, don't put your hands on your knees. Don't get used to this. Set up, move around, raise your left circulate. So what you're going to do, for a minute, shadow boxing, you have to go full power and just work on correct form, movement, defense. And then after a minute, you're going to go down and do 30 seconds for push-ups. You're going to get up. We're going to do another minute of shadow boxing. So you're going to do 30-second squats. And after that, another minute of shadow boxing. And then that's when you go into a burpee with a push-up.
We about to turn it on.
It was easier when we do it. How do you feel?
Wow. I can't get my heart rate up this high working out.
Yeah, you can.
No, I mean,
It's
doing
road
this
work.
I can.
Oh.
But regular workouts?
That's a defeated position. Put your hands on your head. There you go. For 51, you killed it.
Yeah. I feel like I'm dead.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that what death feels like? As a bonus for you guys and for my uncle, since he's dying, I'm going to be doing a burnout until I burn out. Alright, ready? So, this is right here, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Keep up, uncle.
Yeah.
Ah.
A workout for me. Woo!
Thank you guys for watching it. Huge thanks to my uncle for being in this and for almost dying. This is going to be a new series, so make sure to check out the next one. Did you have fun?
Blast. Like world blast.
That's what's up. Alright, see you guys next time.